Once there was king who had 3 sons. King was getting old and he knew that time has come when he should decide which son will succeed his throne after him. He wanted to give his throne to his son, who can handle his kingdom wisely. King called his 3 sons and said, "I will give you each $100 and an empty room. After a week, I will check each room. One whose room will be filled most will become my successor." All of them agreed. Eldest son thought, "At such time of inflation, how can someone fill a whole room with something with such less amount?" He was not able to think of anything. So he decided that he will gamble that money and make more money so that he can have enough money to fill that room with things. Middle son thought, he can't buy anything new with such less amount that can fill whole room. So he just collected all the garbage and filled that room with it. He was happy that he had filled that room as per condition of his father. King's youngest son went to market and bought candles and scent. After 1 week, King went to each son. First he went to eldest son and saw that he was sitting outside that room. King asked him, "Why are you sitting outside room like this?" Eldest son told him that, "I went to play gamble and lost that amount. Now I have no money to buy anything, so now I have nothing to fill that room." After listening to him, King felt disappointed and said, "If I give you throne, then you will just gamble away your kingdom." Then King went to second son. After King reached the second son, he began to feel nausea because of smell coming from that room. King asked his son, "Where the smell is coming from?" Second son replied, "Dad, that all I could get in 100 hours. I filled this room with garbage, because of which this bad smell is coming from room." After listening to him, King felt disappointed and said, "If I give you throne, then you will just gamble away your kingdom." Then King went to second son. After King reached the second son, he began to feel nausea because of smell coming from that room. King asked his son where the smell is coming from. Second son replied, "Dad, that all I could get in 100 hours. I filled this room with garbage, because of which this bad smell is coming from room." King again felt disappointed and left. Now King went to his youngest son. After reaching his room, King felt good because of fragrance coming from his room. He asked his son, "What did you bought with that 100 ashes?" His third son pulled a match out of the box and, striking the side, lit a match, immediately illuminating the room with light, and said, "Dad, I bought some candle and scent to fill whole room with light and fragrance." King was happy to see his younger son and decided to give his kingdom to his youngest son.